Katanat jong kakot kakhya bapet yaki badon ka Jingduna haki Dkhot ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs kala penlong ka program internship program on disability Srcda haka khat satri unai lor 8000 arpuar yakani ka program la penlong ha office rekam joka Srcda Civil Hospital Shillong hakani ka sngi laidon lang Dr. NP Lalu Project Director and State Coordinator State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Dr. W Sutanga Ortho State Program Officer Ba Dylan's AM Planning Officer Srcda Civil Hospital Shillong ki professor na ki college paper ki bakun thop yaka social work department St Edmunds College Women's College Martin Luther Christian University ki badon yaka jaka ajing hikai ki khna samla ki badon Jingduna hagi Dkhot ki Dkhot ka Srcda ba ka tok ani ki samla puli haka subject social works habakran hakani ka program I lecturer na Women's College ikong Lithia Rani ila ong ba lengba ka jingdan ki khna internship kilalap ya ka jingdan kam ban penbu ni ki program kum kini haki thain nong kendong khnang ba ka sab jong kini ki badon Jingduna haki Dkhot kanom sakut tang ha kerpong yeng jong ki henrei ken la ban kamai jakpo na ka sab ka bakidon
of age, he has a very good skill of making craftsmen from bamboos. But because of the lack of information, he makes these craftsmen. He's not able to sell them. He's just display them in his household. So if our students from social work department, from St. Edmunds College, from Martin Luther are able to identify them, if the government can also take initiative to help them to earn a livelihood, that will be very helpful for these people. And I think through this internship program, it will be very beneficial, especially for the community people in the rural areas.
Layo ru eka jing pensyai halor ka rukom terekam joka Srcda na Dr. NP Lalu Project Director and State Coordinator State Resource Center on Disability Affairs bar ka presentation na ilarisuk rapsang Disability Rehabilitation Expert Srcda.
Srcda Shillong work with a vision statement in mind, that is to envision a society where all people have equal opportunities to participate in a society and where every person, including the disabled, are treated with equality, dignity, and respect for their expressed choices. We in the center, right from the project director, Ba Dylan, who's a planning officer, and down to the block level, as already mentioned by him, we have the community-based rehabilitation workers, and we have the multi-purpose worker. So we basically, as has already been stated, we are here just acting as facilitators. So what exactly do we do here? Place from one block and the other blocks. And we are fortunate again in East Khasi Hills, where almost all the facilities are available. To state that is that we have for locomotor, we have the orthopedic surgeon, we have the psychiatrist, we have the ENT surgeons and other departments who are dealing with different disabilities. So also in Iatrei Hills and in West Garo Hills, we have all the manpower. But unfortunately, we do not have all the specialists in different headquarters.
Lapanya da kanega program da iba Dylan's AM Planning Officer Srcda Civil Hospital Shillong. Balapan ko kanega program da ka jinga soy Soskular hapadeng ka Mlcu bat ka Srcda Civil Hospital Shillong.